Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. It's not every day that you see one of the worst quality companies on the ASX or any exchange around the world increase by 74% in one day. But this happened to a company on the ASX called Millenium Services. So why is this company, in my opinion, a really low quality company? Well, just look at the margins. So this company has about 250, I'm using ticker right now, has had about $250 to $300 million of revenue over the past 5 years and is barely profitable. They have nice gross margins, operating margins almost from negative to over the last few years, 1%. Yes, operating margins of 1% and profit. Sometimes or some years they have profit about 15, 20 million. Other years they have negative profit. Some years the profit is like $2 million. This is on revenue of $250 to $300 million. So why does this company have really low margins? It's what they do. So this company is a cleaning and security company. So they hire a lot of people, and in fact, they are dependent on labor. And what you will see is those companies that are highly dependent on labor typically have really low margins. It's really interesting to know that the best sort of investments actually rely less on labor, which is not the best thing for the economy. However, I believe, this is just my opinion, the problem in the future won't be that there won't be enough jobs for all the people, but there won't be enough people for all the jobs. And this is where it becomes interesting for Millenium Services and who's taking over, possibly taking over this company. So Millenium enters into scheme implementation agreement with Softbank Robotics Singapore. What? Softbank Robotics Singapore. Yes. What this company does, I'll just show you. I should Google right now. So Softbank Robotics Singapore believe robots are here to assist humans accelerate work tasks and improve work productivity. So is this a case where Softbank Robotics Singapore sees an opportunity to buy a cleaning and security company and then put in place robotics to clean and to securitize? Is this what this announcement is saying to us? This could be exciting, but who knows? Now, it's not an agreement with Softbank Robotics Singapore itself, because they do mention below here with an entity controlled by Softbank Robotics Singapore, and that entity is MS Journey. So who knows? Maybe MS Journey has nothing to do with robotics. Maybe they just wanted this company because they love cleaning and they love being security guards. But it's just interesting. And the first thought that came into my head when I saw this, Softbank Robotics Singapore, is this what's happening right now with cleaning and security? Robotics. Who knows? Anyway, so leave your thoughts, what you think this announcement means. Maybe it means absolutely nothing. Maybe I'm seeing way too much into it or thinking way too much about it. But it's just interesting that this cleaning and security company is being overtaken by a Softbank robotics company. Just hard to understand, unless you draw you can draw a long bow or maybe even a short bow. Anyway, that's all I got on this particular interesting announcement. One of the more interesting announcements I've seen for a while. I have never been a shareholder of this company. Would never have been a shareholder of this company just because of their really low margins. Not a really sustainable, I wouldn't say not a sustainable business model, but not an investable company, in my opinion. So if you do have any thoughts, just leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. And if you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who's qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.